Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can make another account or a second account on FIFA or FC Mobile. Let's start by opening the Play Store on your device. Then tap the search icon at the top part of the screen. And then type in 2 accounts on the search bar. Tap on this specific app, then download it. When the download is done, open the app, and in here, tap the plus sign icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then look for the FC mobile app, and tap the plus sign icon beside it. Wait for it to finish cloning the app. Then after that, simply open the app. Now follow the on-screen procedures in creating a new account. It is recommended to link the game to your another Google account or any account that is available to link in order to save the progress of the game and can be easy to recover. After doing that, you can now see that a new account is created while maintaining your older account on your phone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.